A major chemical emergency was reported today in Chennai after a dense cloud of toxic smoke spread across the city's administrative zone near the chief secretariat. The incident triggered panic among government staff, security personnel, and civilians present in the area. The smoke formed a thick white-gray blanket that quickly reduced visibility. People were seen covering their faces and rushing away from the affected zone. Initial confusion surrounded the cause of the sudden gas leak and smoke. However, preliminary findings by industrial safety inspectors suggest that the source was a nearby hardware storage facility. The facility handles industrial chemical compounds used in manufacturing and processing activities. Officials believe a sulfate-based chemical leak occurred during routine handling operations. The substance is reported to be highly reactive when exposed to air and moisture. Once released, it appears to have reacted rapidly with humidity in the atmosphere. The reaction produced large volumes of dense, acrid smoke. The plume rose quickly and then moved inland due to coastal wind patterns. Within minutes, it reached central administrative buildings, including the area around the chief secretariat. Air quality in the region reportedly dropped sharply. The air quality index spiked to hazardous levels in the immediate vicinity, and the smell was described as sharp as shocking. Several individuals reported irritation in the eyes and throat. Some also experienced coughing and mild breathing discomfort. Authorities have not confirmed any serious injuries so far. Police and security staff stationed at government buildings act quickly. Entry and exit points were partially restricted. People inside offices were advised to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary movement. Fire and rescue teams were dispatched immediately to the harbor site. Special Chemical Response Unit also joined the operation. Their priority was to locate the exact source of the leak and stop further emission. Containment efforts include sealing the storage unit and using neutralizing agents to suppress airborne chemicals. Officials are also monitoring wind direction to track the movement of the toxic plume. Traffic movement in surrounding areas has been restricted as precaution. Public transport routes near the affected zone have been diverted. Authorities have urged citizens to avoid the area until further notice. Environmental monitoring teams are measuring air quality continuously. Hospitals in the city have been altered to handle any respiratory emergencies if needed. Authorities have advised residents to stay indoors, close windows, and use masks if outdoor. Movement is unavoidable. They also stated that updates will be issued as the situation develops. The exact scale of the leak and the total quantity of chemicals involved is still under investigation. Officials have promised a detailed report once the site is fully secured. The situation remains under control, but vigilance continues as cleanup and containment operations are ongoing in Chennai. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel.